welcome back to my channel. So 2020 has been a different and weird year for everybody, and the biggest change that has happened in my life is that I moved back home recently. Oh yeah, I know it looks like I'm shooting a video about succulents, but I promise it's not about that. These are just here for like background purposes. When it was my turn to pack up my stuff and move out of my apartment, I took like short clips of the favorite corners in my house that I had like done up, and I thought I'd share those with you guys. So that's the video you're watching. Like I promised, it's not about succulents. So let's get rolling. I miss my yellow wall. I think you guys have seen it in like every single video I've uploaded, and I miss being able to film in front of it. It just made me feel super comfy. Okay, so this is my bookshelf and my like study corner kind of place, and I really love this. Like this is just the most calming corner in my room, and I actually got these books here because I really wanted to start reading again. I used to read when I was a kid, but I kind of like lost track of that. But somehow I still haven't gotten around to it, so I have to find another way. I thought like surrounding myself with books would be enough, but it's not. And also like during this time my sister has been like making a lot of art, and we've been putting it up on this wall here, so I really don't want to take it down. But you gotta do what you gotta do. So okay, so these are the Corona bottles that I used in my first ever video, and they've just been lying at home now just collecting dust. I can't seem to like give them away. I get like really attached like these small random things like my first ever video and the props I used. So but I think now might be the time to like actually say goodbye. But I remember when I like filmed that first video and I had these bottles lying around and I decided to use them, I was like so happy that oh, there is a coronavirus and I have these Corona bottles, so let me use those. So that was my idea of funny back then, and I still think it's kind of cute. Okay, so these are my 3 plants, and I got them when I moved to Hyderabad first, like some 4 years ago. I remember the first plant I got was this one. I just bought this fern, and within like a week or something of buying this, I actually went back and saw the other 2 as well, because I had this feeling that my plant was feeling like really alone in the balcony. So I knew it needed companions, so I got the other 2. So this is most definitely my favorite corner in my room. It's not a corner, it's like an entire wall filled with just kites, and it just makes me so happy to have these in my room. Like I remember like I think I put them up the first time I moved to this room, and a few months ago my kites like took over and they started coming off. But then I bought new kites and I put them up in like the same way because I just really like this wall and I like what I've done with it. So I just think it's just super dreamy and pristine, and I would have it no other way. So that's all I have for now. I'll see you in the new year.